Hello my friends, welcome to Grade Up. Myself Abhishek Shukla. Today I am here for you all because we have launched a Spark Up JEE program from Grade Up, okay? And the series is live now. The series comprising of various lectures, okay? Now the topic which we will be discussing will be from digital circuits, okay? From digital circuits, it is our second class of combinational. Okay, dear friends, I will be dealing with NAND gate, why NAND gate is used as a universal gate and NOR gate as a universal gate, and also different circuits like full adder, half adder, full subtractor and half subtractor for you all at this place, okay? And we will be having MCQ questions at the end of the session, okay? At the end of the session we will be having few MCQ questions, and for more practice join GradeUp app and you will be getting there lot of MCQs, okay, and quizzes. Now let's begin with the session. NAND gate is used as a universal gate, okay? What is a universal gate? A universal gate itself means that the particular gate, NAND gate or NOR gate, can be used to implement any logic function, okay? It can be used to implement any logic function. First of all, we will be dealing with NAND gate, okay? NAND gate as a universal gate. First of all, let us try making NOT gate out of NAND gate. Before we do so, what is NAND gate? It is represented like this, AND gate, okay, and NOT, okay? It is equivalent to a AND gate, okay, and a NOT gate, okay? AND gate and a NOT gate, okay? So what will be the truth table of this? The truth table, suppose there are two inputs A and B. Y is the output of this, okay? A, B, Y is the output of this NAND gate, dear friends. So taking input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is 0 actually? This 0 is a potential that is applied in the positive logic and is nearly 0.20 to 0.2, okay? It is treated as digital 0 or digital low, okay? It is 0. And what is actually high? Okay, high means it is 1, digital logic 1, okay? It ranges from 3.5 to 5 volts, okay? This is the voltage specifications, okay? It is positive logic. In positive logic, the higher most positive potential is taken as 1, okay? And in negative logic, the higher most positive potential is taken as 0, okay? What will be the output Y? Suppose take at this point it is A, B, we have Y dash, it is Y. What will be Y dash? It is AND operation, 0 and with 0, it is 0, and here it is 1, okay? What will be NOT of this? Dear friends, what will be NOT of this? NOT of 0 is 1, 1, 1, and it is 0, okay? So 0, 0 will give 1, 0, 1 give, it is like that, okay? So we have to make a NOT gate out of a NAND gate, okay? We are given with the truth table of NAND gate. So what can we do? We have seen that if both the inputs we can short circuit, okay? Both the inputs we can short circuit because in NOT gate we have one input and one output, okay? In NOT gate we have one input and one output. So one input we have shorted the input, okay? We see that if both the inputs are same, that is we have to check this condition. If both the inputs are same, what is the output? The output is the negation or the complement, okay? The output is the complement, okay? So if here we have 0, then here we are going to get 1, okay? Both are 0, then we are getting 1. Both are 1, then we are getting 0. Both are 1, then we are getting 0. So it will act as a NOT gate or inverter. Okay. Yes, the first gate we have designed, that is NOT gate. Now the next gate that we will design is AND gate. How to design an AND gate? AND gate out of a NAND gate. Okay. See, dear friends, here AND gate plus NOT gate is NAND gate. Okay. So we can do one thing. It is NAND gate. What will be the expression of it? Suppose it is x, then y is equal to x bar. Okay, x dash. Here it is AB. So the expression we will be getting is A dot B bar. We have got this NAND gate. Okay, the NAND function. Again, if we invert it, so we will get the AND operation A dot B. Okay. So NAND AND gate, for making NOT gate, for making NOT logic, we have to use one NAND gate. Okay, we have to use one NAND gate for making that logic. Not for making AND logic, we have to use two NAND gates. Okay, this is the question. This itself is a question. Okay, how many NAND gates are required for implementing the logic and NOT? And now we will just see that how to implement OR operation from it. Okay, suppose we have to perform an OR operation. Okay, OR operation means A plus B. Y has to be A plus B. I will just let you know a trick that how to solve such type of questions. Okay, it is a very simple question, but from this we can have a very good set of questions in the coming. Okay, we have A, we have to AND it. It is an AND signal. Okay, it is an AND operation going to be performed. A, B. Okay, and it is Y. This operation we have to perform, but we have to use NAND gate. Okay, it is an OR gate. How to use NAND gate? Suppose we have taken a signal, we have applied A at this place, and we have negated it. And we have applied another signal called B, and through this NAND gate, again we have used NAND gate. What it is at this point? What is the value? It is A bar. Okay, why it is bar? Because it is working as a NOT gate. Okay, it is B bar. Okay, and now what this will perform? It will be A dot A bar dot B bar AND operation followed by NOT operation. Okay, by Boolean algebra, what we are going to have? It is A bar, okay, plus B bar. Twice the complement is the function itself. Okay, so we have got OR gate out of this NAND gate. Okay, dear friends, how many NAND gates are required? 3 NAND gates are required. What is the trick that I was telling you all? That suppose if a function has OR gate, okay, bubble it at this place. So what this function will be? Let me rub it so that I may have more space for you all to explain. Yes, so a bubbled OR gate, it is an OR gate. Okay, bubbled OR means that the inputs are bubbled. Okay, bubble gum inputs are bubbled, A, B, and it is Y. Let us see the truth table of this function. Okay, it is A, B, and Y. We have applied 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is the output Y? Okay, suppose if A was 0, after that NOT operation, it is 1 at this place. Internally what reaches is 1. Okay, internally what reaches this place is 1, and here again if it is 0, then what reaches at this place is 1. Okay, 1 1 will give you 1. Okay, if it is 0, again internal operation will give it 1 at this place, because it is not. 0 was applied here, 1 is appearing here because of this not function. Okay, and here we are applying 1, so in the internal circuit it will be 0 reaching. Okay, 1 0, the OR operation is now performed and it is again 1. Okay, again same thing will repeat and it is 1. Now here 1 and 1 is applied. Internally it will be 0. It will be 0. 0 ORing with 0. 0 ORing with 0 will be 0. My dear friends, if you have confusion at this place, so bubbled means take like this. Take like this. Okay, we have this NOT gate applied over this place. Okay, NOT gate. So if we have applied 1 at this place, at this place it will be 0, and 0, now it is OR gate separated. Okay, so we have this logic Y. And in the NAND also it was having the same table. NAND gate which we derived, okay, it was having the same table. Okay, suppose it was X, the output was X, it is NAND gate output. Okay, and it is bubbled OR gate. Okay, bubbled OR gate. So here we come to know that bubbled OR gate is a NAND gate. Bubbled OR gate is a NAND gate. Okay, it may be asked in an MCQ, okay, that it will be shown and it is equivalent to this. Okay, bubbled OR gate is a NAND gate. It is a takeaway from this point. Okay, it is important, and it is important that 3 NAND gates are required to make a OR gate. Okay, now we have to make an XOR gate out of a NAND gate. What is an XOR gate? XOR gate is a gate that is used to find 2 inputs. Okay, and the output will be high for those pair of inputs which are dissimilar. Okay, we have basic functions like NOT, AND, OR, XOR, XNOR. Okay, these are basic functions. We have done NOT, AND, OR. Now let us go to XOR. Okay, XOR. A XOR B. What will be the truth table of A XOR B? It is A, it is B, it is Y. The output Y. Output I am going to take it default as Y only. Okay. So at this place what we are having the output, I said that the output will be high for XOR gate when the inputs are dissimilar. Inputs are dissimilar for 2 inputs. Okay, for 2 inputs. Else take a concept that if the number of ones are odd, in XOR gate of any number of inputs, okay, if XOR gate has any number of inputs, then the output will be high if the number of inputs that are having 1 is odd. Okay, odd number of ones are appearing, then then the output will be high. High output means 1. Okay, here odd number of inputs as 1, so we are going to get 1 1, and here we are going to get 0. Okay, dear friends, how to design this logic function? What is the equivalent of that? What is the equivalent Boolean expression? A bar B plus, what is the equivalent of this? A B bar. Okay, the equation or the literal that is having a high value will be written as it is, and the literal that is having a low value, it will be written by bar. Bar means it is having a low input. Okay, low input means 0. Okay, now let's derive this using NAND gate. using NAND gate. My dear friends, A bar B, and we are given a condition. We are given a condition that complements are not available. Complements are not available means neither A bar is available, neither B bar is available. Okay. So how to make it? The main thing that you have to take away from it is what are the number of NAND gates, what are the number of NAND gates that are required to implement these logic functions. Okay. So from this point we can see that A, B, at this place we are going to have A dot B. At this point we will be having A XOR B. What is the operation for XOR? XOR is plus sign with a circle. A XOR B. Okay. Friends, don't take it as a whole. The best question that will come from this place is how many NAND gates are required for XOR operation, for XOR logic? The answer will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 XOR gates are required for making this logic. Okay. A XOR B. Now, if we have to make an XNOR gate, I would just like to extend XNOR gate here only. Okay. So as to make you all relate that what is the difference between XOR and XNOR. XOR and XNOR, take it as Y complement. Okay. The value will be, or take it as a new value called X. Okay, X. If the number of inputs are having, even number of ones, then XNOR gate will be having value as 1. Both are 0, 1. Means if the two inputs are having same value, then it will be having high logic. Okay. It is also known, it is also used to detect the similar inputs. Okay. So what will be the truth table for this? What will be the truth table? Truth table is this. What is the Boolean expression? It will be A bar B bar plus AB. Okay. Can you find one thing? That this X is actually X is equal to Y bar. X is equal to Y bar from this. Okay. So we can do one thing. This output will be again fed to a NAND gate, will be again fed to a NAND gate, 2 input NAND gates. Okay, 2 input NAND gate, and then we will have an XNOR gate with this function. What is the value of XNOR? The value of XNOR is A XNOR B, and the operation is represented by this. Okay. Now take a screenshot of this place because I'm going to write a very important thing on the board right now. Okay. See, have you got the series? Have you got the series? It is NAND gates. Okay. 2 input NAND gate. My dear friends, it is 2 input NAND gate. 2 input NAND gate. 2 input NAND gate. Okay. How many 2 input NAND gates are required for making a NOT gate? 1. For making AND gate? 2. For making OR? 3. For making XOR? 4. For making XNOR? 5. Have you got this series? Okay. So we are here with this NAND gate operation. Okay. Friends, take a screenshot of this. Focus mainly on this value which I asked you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, NOR is also a universal gate. NOR is also a universal gate. What do you mean by universal gates? Again, NOR can be used to implement any number of or any logic, okay, which is given. So it is a universal gate. Okay. Now, let us take NOR gate. At that place, I told you all that bubbled OR is a NAND gate. Bubbled OR is a NAND gate. Here again, if we have a bubbled AND gate, okay, a bubbled AND gate, it is equivalent to a NOR gate. It is equivalent to a NOR gate. Here friends, these are few points that you are going to take away from this. Okay, A, B, suppose its output is Y, it is A, B, take its output as Y1, take its output as Y2. Okay, now let us look at the truth table of NOR gate. Okay, it is a NOR gate, and OR gate followed by a followed by a NOT is a NOR gate. Okay, let's begin. A, B, and it is Y2 we will take first. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, it is 1, 1. What is the value of Y2? Y2 is actually OR gate followed by a NOT gate. Okay, it is Y2. Let's take this place. Okay, what is the value? 0, 0 will give 0, but NOT, it is 1. 0, 1, ORing operation will give 1, but NOT operation will give again 0. 1, 0, ORing operation will give 1, but NOT operation will give 0. 1, 1 will give output as 1, but NOT operation will give it as 0. Okay, we have seen this. Now it is Y1. It is Y1. Okay, A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar. The input which is reaching here is 1 and 1. The input that is reaching here is 1 and 1. AND of 1 and 1 will give 1. Okay, dear friends. Again, we have 0, 0 at this place. So it will be 1 at this place. Here it is 1, B is 1. So here we will be having 0, and here we will be getting as 0. So if any of the input is 1, here we will be having 0. ANDing any function will give 0. Okay. So bubbled AND gate will give us a NOR gate. Bubbled AND gate is represented like this. Bubbled AND gate will give us a NOR gate. Okay. Now let's look very quickly at the NOR gate operation and how we can use it for designing any number of logic. Okay, any logic circuitry. Okay, NOR gate. Now let us design a NOT gate using a NOR gate. Okay, again the things remain same, that it is a gate that can be used to implement any number of logic functions, and it is A bar. So how it came? A, both the inputs are same. Output will be a negation or a complement. Okay, I draw the truth table again. It was 0, 0, again 1 came, 0, 1, again 0 came, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0 itself. Okay, sorry, 1, 1 is 0 itself. Here it is A, B, and here Y. It was NOR gate. Both the inputs are same. See this column. Okay, both the inputs are same. And what is the output? It is the complement of the input. Both the inputs are same. What is the output? Output is the complement. Okay, so we have taken this place that for NOT gate, one NOR gate is required. And for OR gate, what is the OR gate? OR gate, the basic function OR gate is like this. It is A, B, Y. 2 inputs OR gate. 2 inputs OR gate is represented like this. Okay, and the basic operation is A plus B is equal to Y. A plus B is equal to Y. Okay, 0, 0 will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. All the other will be having high. If any of the inputs is high, then the output is high. It is called OR gate. Okay, it is called OR gate. My dear friends, how to implement this OR gate? This actually a NOR gate was itself a OR gate first. ये पहले ही एक OR gate था. Okay, आउटपुट पे क्या आया था? a प्लस बी बार आया था, आउटपुट पे a प्लस बी बार आया था. ओके, so how we can just do one thing, that feed this output again to a NOT gate which we have designed using a NOR gate. Then what will be the output? The output will be a OR gate. Okay, so for OR gate operation, for OR gate logic, what we are having, we will be requiring two NOR gates. We will be requiring two NOR gates. Okay, I will give you a summary at the last. You can take a snapshot of that. Okay, first go through the concepts. A B NOR operation, a plus b bar, and again it will be a plus b. So dear friends, now we have to design a NAND AND gate. We have to design a AND gate. What is the AND gate logic? AND gate logic is very simple. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. It will be 0 0 0 1. Okay, it is the logic for AND gate. Okay, AND gate is represented with this function, dot function. Okay, अब recap हो गया. Now let's solve it. That it is A dot B. We will be having three NOR gates to implement a AND gate. How? Suppose it is signal A that was applied to the upper NOR gate. It is signal B that is applied to the lower NOR gate. And again, we have a NOR gate. Okay, we have a NOR gate. Dear friends, what will be the value of signal at this point? It will be A bar, a NOT operation. It will be B bar, a NOT operation. And what will be this logic doing? This logic will be A bar plus B bar. The signals that are at the input will be complemented. OR operation followed by a NOT operation. It will be A double bar dot B double bar. Double bar will be cancelled out. If you just do one thing, how double bar cancel out? 0 का complement will be 1. Again 1 का complement will be 0. Okay, it is A dot B. Okay, what is this bar? Bar is actually a complement. Okay, so for NOT we are requiring one NAND gate, for one NOR gate as well as one NAND gate. For OR we are requiring two NOR gates plus 3 NAND gates were required. Okay, for an AND gate we are requiring 3 NOR gates. Okay, and 2 NAND gates were required earlier. Okay, so dear friends, the main thing which you have to take away from this place is that how to find the number of NAND gates and NOR gates. If any number of, or if any expression is given, then how to calculate the number of NAND gates and NOR gates from that place, and also how to implement any logic function using those two gates. Okay, now it comes the XNOR gate. XNOR gate. XNOR gate is actually A dot B. I discussed you earlier. It is high when both the inputs are of similar type. Okay, similar type. Either both the inputs are high or both the inputs are low. How it will be implemented? By using a NOR gate. Let us take an example of it. Okay, how it is implemented. Again, we are going to have a NOR gate. Here again, okay, in this place we will be requiring 4 NOR gates to implement a XNOR gate. Earlier, for 4 NAND gates we got an XOR gate. We got an XOR gate. Okay, it is A B. The output at this place will be A XOR B. We have got A XOR B. How can we extract A XNOR B? We have got A XNOR B. Sorry, how can we retrieve A XOR B? just by simply applying a NOT gate. For right now at this place, we will be saying it a NOT gate. Okay, a NOT gate. So dear friends, is it clear? We have got, this was our XOR gate. Negation of it will be XOR gate. Okay. Now again I'll write a table for you all so that you can be very comfortable in the exams while attending this type of questions. Okay, this type of questions. So be attentive and just go through what I have taught. Okay, I will teach everything. Okay, NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. What are the other types of gate? It is XOR gate, and again it will be XNOR gate. Okay, इसका snapshot ले लीजिएगा, it is important. How many number of NAND gates and how many number of NOR gates? Okay, dear friends, is it visible? No, it's slightly visible. Yeah, for NOR gate, NOT दोनों के लिए एक और एक रहेंगे. Okay, for AND we will be requiring 2 NAND gates and 3 NOR gates. For OR we will be requiring 3 NAND gates and 2 NOR gates. For XOR we will be requiring, or we require 4 NAND gates, again 5 NOR gates, and for XNOR operation we will be requiring 5 NAND gates and 4 NOR gates. Okay, I told you that how it is done. Okay, now let us go to the next session, that how to implement some logic by using minimum number of NAND and NOR gates. Dear friends, it is very important session. At least you can demand that, at least you can wish that 2 questions from this place are very often. Okay, 2 questions from this place are very often. You have to implement a function that is x y bar z. X bar y z, suppose take it like this, x bar y z. How are you going to implement? By using a NAND gate. NAND gate. एक समझा दूं, बाकी MCQ में we will do. Okay, we will be requiring 2 input NAND gates. It will be written in the question itself. X bar, पहले we draw a generalized thing. Okay, generalized thing. X bar, suppose X was applied, we are going to get X bar at this place. It is AND operation, we will be getting Y at this place. 2 input gates are only available, so we have to just put 2 values at the input. Again, it was for Z, it is for the output. Suppose it is something like, take it as output only. Okay, output only. Can we reduce it? Can we reduce it? Suppose if it was OR, suppose if at this place it was OR, okay, then we can reduce it. Take another example, x bar yz, x bar y plus z. Take this example first. Okay, we have an operation like this. It is x, it is y. Okay, it is plus, so it will be OR operation z. Okay, x bar at this place, it is x bar, y, yes, we are having y, z. So what will be doing, that we are going to find the number of NAND gates. Okay, so we are going to have it a bubbled OR. Bubbled OR means now it is equivalent to a NAND gate. Okay, now it is equivalent to a NAND gate. Okay, so we have got 1 NAND gate at this place. We have got 1 NAND gate at this place. For reducing its effect, we are going to again make it a NAND gate. For this NOT operation, again we are going to have a NAND gate at this place. Okay, 1 NAND at this place, 1 NAND at this place, 1 NAND at this place. Okay, so by this trick you can solve the questions. Again यहाँ पर Z applied था, so 1 NAND at this place is required. Okay, my dear friends, you have to solve these questions as it is. Okay, now in this, it can't be reduced, so one NOT gate at one NAND gate for making this NOT, two NAND gates for making this and two NAND gates for making this AND. So total how many NAND gates? There will be 5 NAND gates required. Okay, there will be 5 NAND gates required. So these type of questions are very often in the exams. Okay, so you have to just go through them. And in this situation, 1 NAND gate, 2 NAND gate, 3 NAND gate, and again a 4 NAND gate. 4 NAND gates are required to implement this function. Why you have used this? Because यहाँ पे जो अंदर जाएगा वो Z होगा. अभी क्या जा रहा है? Z बार जा रहा है. After placing this, okay. So to reduce it as Z, only Z bar, again it will be bar, so it will be Z. So for more type of questions we will be solving in the MCQ section. Okay, now let's begin with half adder, half subtractor and those combinational circuits. Okay, if you have any doubts, okay, just post your comments, we will be dealing it. Yes, for combinational circuits we are having half adder, half subtractor, full adder, full subtractor, that we will be discussing in this short session. Okay, half adder. What is a half adder? Half adder has no carry in from the output. Okay, no carry in from the output. We have 2 bits, we have to add those 2 bits and get sum and carry expression. Now let's begin with 2 input. Okay, 2 inputs, there are 2 outputs. Again a good set of question, that a half adder has 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Okay, one output is sum, one output is sum, one output is carry. Again those 4 set of equations at the input. Okay, what is sum? 0 0, the sum will be 0, and what will be the carry? No carry. 0 1, the sum will be 1, it will be 0. How we are going to get it? 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, 1 plus 1, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 1 plus 1, it will be 1 plus 1 will be 0 1. This is sum and this is carry. How? In suppose it is binary 1, it is binary 1 and it is binary 1, it is 1 0 binary. Equivalent of it will be 2 in decimal. Okay, यही तो आना चाहिए. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 1 plus 1 will be 2. How you get the binary expression? 0 into 2 raised to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 1. This is how you are going to get it. Okay, so from that place, sum is 1. 1 plus 0 का sum करेंगे या 0 plus 1 का sum करेंगे, it will be 1. Okay, carry is, sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay, dear friends, how to design a circuit that is performing as a half adder? Can you say that this sum operation is actually a XOR gate? This sum operation is actually a XOR gate. Both are dissimilar, or even number, odd number of inputs, then the output is high. And for carry is only occurring at this place. So for sum we can have expression sum is equal to A XOR B and carry is equal to A dot B. XOR gate itself, it is XOR gate. Okay, A B, there is no not नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, it is Y, take it as sum only. और carry के लिए AB is the input and we are getting the carry. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, AB का XOR करेंगे sum पाएंगे और AB का XOR करेंगे, then we will get the carry. How many number of NAND gates are required to implement half subtractor? A question from you all. How many number of NAND gates are required to get a half adder? Okay, to get a half adder. Number of NAND gates for XOR we are going to have 4 NAND gates. अब carry का तो पता नहीं. So let's begin. Okay. First design an XOR gate. And then we will be having all those confusions clear, that how many inputs, that how many of the NAND gates are required to implement those function. Okay. AB are the inputs. XOR operation sum यहाँ पे मिल गया. Can you find one thing, dear friends? That here it is A dot B bar. Take it out. तार खींच लिया यहाँ से. And here we can have again a NOT operation is performed. And we can have A dot B double bar. It is A dot B. So count how many number of NAND gates are required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 number of NAND gates are required to implement a half adder. Okay, and how many number of NAND gates are required? NOR gates are required. Okay, for NOR gates also you are going to get it like that only. The takeaway point from this place is, for half adder, the total number of NAND gates are required is 5 NAND gates. Okay. For you all, a question that how many number of NOR gates are required. I'll tell you in the video end. Okay, that how many number of NOR gates are required. Okay. ऐसा मत सोचना आता नहीं है, आता है. I'll tell you. Okay. It will be 5, but you have to post your answers that how you are going to get 5. Now half subtractor. A half subtractor circuit, what it does, दो inputs हैं, उनको subtract करेगी and we will be getting the output as difference and borrow. Difference and borrow will be the output. A, B, take it as the inputs, difference and borrow. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 will be the inputs. Okay. What is the difference? Now let's begin with the session from this place. That difference operation we are going to see. 0 minus 0, बच्चे को ही पता है 0 ही आएगा. 1 minus 1, बच्चे को भी पता है 0 ही आएगा. किस बच्चे को? जिसने बुलियन अलजेब्रा पढ़ा हुआ है. नहीं, इट इज बेसिक. ओके, सबको पता है. 0 minus 1, now it is the point. 0 minus 1. Here we are going to take a borrow. Okay, उधारी लेंगे, इसको 2 बना देंगे. It is actually 1 0 in binary and in decimal it is 2. 2 minus 1 will give 1. 1 is the difference. 1 is the difference. And what is the borrow? Borrow is 1. Borrow is 1. Okay. Borrow is 1. Difference is 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1. It is difference. Okay. My dear friends, complete the truth table. Again, 0 minus 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0. 0 minus 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1. I have told you that condition. 1 minus 0, difference is 1, borrow is 0. 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, will have the same results. Okay, so again you can see a relation that if the two inputs are differing, if the two inputs are differing, then we have the difference. Okay, then we have the difference. Borrow कहाँ पे आ रहा है? Borrow is at this place. Borrow is at this place. तो borrow के लिए expression क्या हो जाएगा? A bar B. And for difference, the expression will be XOR. Difference will be A XOR B. And for borrow, what will be the expression? The expression will be A bar B. Okay, now let us solve this by using AND gates. अभी A XOR B का तो यही आना है, A B, it will be difference. Okay, borrow, it will be A bar B. ठीक है, it is a simple generalized thing. Okay, जो हमारे पास लॉजिक गेट्स अवेलेबल हैं, we have solved it like that. Now how many number of NAND gates are required? The answer is, solve करके पता लगाते हैं. Okay, solve करके पता लगाते हैं. XOR gate, we have said that for XOR gate is implemented by using NAND gates, and we are having 4 NAND gates for it. Okay, now let's do it. अब तो याद हो गया होगा, means I have drawn it so many times. Okay, so that you don't have any problem in remembering it. It is XOR gate A B. The difference is at this place. The difference is at this place. For borrow, what we are getting, that if you have done this, okay, till this you have got the difference. Okay, for borrow you have to just take one thing in mind, that here you are going to get a borrow. Okay, कैसे मिलेगा? It is A dot B, it is A dot B bar, and here it is B. What is the value present here? A dot B bar dot B का whole bar, double bar at borrow. Okay, यहाँ तक पहुँचते पहुँचते it will be like this. So A dot B bar dot B, it will be A bar plus B bar dot B. You are going to get A bar B. Is this the same as the borrow we are getting here? Yes. So for difference half subtractor, we are going to have 5 NAND gates. Okay, 5 NAND gates. And for the total operation, okay, अगर कोई difference के लिए पूछे, difference के लिए कितना आएगा? 4 NAND gates. 4 NAND gates for difference because it is XOR. And for borrow, 1 2 3 NAND gates for borrow. मगर ये कभी इतना पूछेगा नहीं for this exam. Okay, just have one thing in mind. For half adder and half subtractor, we are going to have 5 NAND gates and 5 NOR gates on the tips. Remember it. Okay. Again, a very important circuit called as full subtractor and full adder we are going to discuss at this place. After that, few MCQs. Okay. And my dear friends, if you are having any doubt regarding any question or anything like what is the syllabus or where should you study and how much to study, which domain to study, so you have to just post it, and we are going to post it on GradeUp app, and we are going to reply you as soon as possible. बोलते हैं ना ASAP, we are going to have it. We are going to have full adder circuit, full adder, 3 inputs A, B, C, sum and carry. See, the input we are writing as C, but it is actually C in. C in means the carry that is at the input. The carry जो इसमें पहले से, okay, it is like this, full adder. यहाँ पे A, B, okay. Here it is sum, carry, एक कैरी इन जो यहाँ पे हम देते हैं ना प्रीवियस स्टेज से, दैट इज एक्चुअली इट इज ओके. सो 001 010 011 100 101 110 111 2222. Yes, we are having this expression. अब मैंने क्या बोला था? For odd numbers, for odd number of ones, we are going to have, okay, ऐसे छोड़ते इससे देखें sum, ठीक है, because that will be a too much short trick for you. 0, sum will be 1 added with all 1, 1 added with all the zeros 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry will be 1. Here we are going to get 1 0. Here again we are going to get 0, carry is 1. Again we are going to get 0, carry is 1. Here we are going to 1 plus 1 plus 1. डेसिमल में 3 होता है, बाइनरी में ये होता है. ओके, कैरी विल बी 1, carry will be 1 and sum will be 1. Okay, so have you seen one thing in common? Have you seen one thing in common all among all those? That the sum होगा ना, that will be actually an XOR operation only. Again a short trick for you all. Sum will always be, देखो even number, odd number of ones, odd number of ones, odd number of ones at this place, odd number of ones at this place. So sum is always an XOR operation. Dear friends, sum is always an XOR operation. Okay, so for sum of full adder, okay, for sum of full adder, we are going to have an expression A XOR B XOR C. कैसे आया? From where it came? Okay, draw K map. Draw K map 0 1 1 0. Okay, 0 1. No, actually it was 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Can you simplify it further? No. Okay, you are going to have this function by reducing it. Okay, XOR 1 2 4 7 1 2 4 7. You are going to have some operation. Okay, for carry function, what I would suggest you all, that for carry function, take it as AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, if you reduce it, you will be getting AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, and that will be your carry function. That will be your carry function. How to implement that carry function? We will see, like, we will draw the full logic gate for you all. Okay, I will draw for you all. Then the sum and carry expressions will be clear. Okay, let's begin. For sum, it was XOR gate A B. Okay, again it was XOR with another C. Okay, A XOR B XOR C was the sum. A XOR B XOR C. Remove it, it is the same. A XOR B XOR C. Okay, now A XOR B into C plus AB. We had that at place AB plus BC plus CA. After reducing it, we will be having it. Okay, try to solve it from the K map itself. Okay, AB plus BC plus CA, and at this place you will be having A XOR B into C plus AB. This function. Okay, it is sum, it is carry, and take it a straightforward question that how many number of NAND gates are required to implement it? How many number of NAND gates are required to implement it? 9 NAND gates are required to implement this function. Okay, now let us see how. फर्स्ट XOR किया था, फर्स्ट XOR A B, ओके, we have A XOR B till this place. And what about A XOR B XOR C? What about A XOR B XOR C? Again, we are going to have a function C at this place, and we are going to repeat again that XOR, okay. I'm out of the board? No. So at this place, you are going to get some expression. A XOR B at this place, A XOR B XOR C at this place, okay. Now to find A XOR B into C, A XOR B into C, okay, plus A XOR B into C, we are having at this place what it is A XOR B. At this place A XOR B dot C, okay dear friends, यहां से टैप कर लें इसको, प्लस ए बी, यहां से इसको टैप कर लें, इट वॉज A डॉट B बार, ओके. सो इन दोनों को टैप करके अगर हम यहां पे ले आते हैं और एक फंक्शन ऐसे बनाते हैं, यू विल गेट द आउटपुट ऑफ कैरी A XOR B dot C plus AB, okay. Again the same thing will repeat for half subtractor. Half subtractor we will be going to have in the next session. First of all, let us very quickly revise all those things which you have learned in the today's class through MCQ questions, okay. So are you ready all? So let's begin. It is a rapid fire round for you all, okay dear friends, it is a rapid fire round for you all. Yes, how many NAND gates are required to implement a Boolean expression A plus BC? Tell me, how many A plus BC is the function? It is the logic expression that is given. Tell me friends, I want answers. Yes, it is Y. So not gate, bubbled, how much? 4. Okay, just post your answers quickly. It is a bubbled OR gate is a NAND gate. Bubbled OR gate is a NAND gate. Here again we are going to have a NAND gate, okay. So 1 NAND gate, 2 NAND gate, 3 NAND gates. So how many number of NAND gates? 3 NAND gates are required, okay. How many NOR gates are required to implement A dot B? A dot B is an AND operation. A dot B is an AND operation. How many NAND gates are required? 2 NAND gates are required. And how many NOR gates are required? 3 NOR gates are required, okay. 2 NOR gates. Now you should be very expert in this. A, B, okay. A, B, यहाँ पे output A dot B. It will be the output. अगर यहाँ A bar है, B bar है, it will be A dot B. How you got this A bar? Again by a NOR gate at this place, okay. यहाँ पर A feed कर दिया, यहाँ पर B feed कर दिया. Understood? So you have to apply these tricks as well. That here it is A bar, here it is B bar. The output will be A dot B bar. How it came? It will be A plus B whole bar by Boolean expression A dot B bar. Okay. Now next set of question. How many NAND gates are required for some expression of half adder? Half adder का some expression was A XOR B. Okay. It was a question that was asked in the previous exam. A XOR B. It was for sum. Okay. I am writing for sum. It was for sum. So how many NAND gates are required for the XOR operation? 4 NAND gates are required for XOR operations and 5 NOR gates are required. Okay. The expression for sum of full adder is? What is the expression for sum of full adder? Sum of full adder was A XOR B XOR C. How many? Yes, expression was A. Okay, the answer will be A. And how many NAND gates are required for full adder? It will be 9. 9 NAND gates are required, as well as 9 NOR gates are required for full adder and full subtractor. For half adder and half subtractor, 5 NAND gates and 5 NOR gates are required. The output of the shown below bias will be, okay, it is a NOR gate. It is a NOR gate. For NOR gate, we will draw A, B, and it will be output Y. Okay, I want answers from you all before I solve it. I want answers. For NOR gate, the output will be high for this position, else it will be 0. एक इनपुट 1 पे फिक्स है, एक इनपुट 1 पे फिक्स है, एक इनपुट 1 पे फिक्स है. टेक दिस, ओके, टेक दिस. Suppose it is X. Suppose it is X. Output is, okay. What are you getting? It will be, the answer will be 0. Okay. The answer will be 0. एक इनपुट X है, दूसरा इनपुट 1 पे फिक्स कर दिया, then the output will be 0. Okay. The expression of carry of the half adder is, what is the expression of carry? Carry कब आया था half adder में? A, B, sum, and it was carry. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Sum was 0, 1, 1. It was 0 and carry was at this place. So it was A dot B. Okay. I'm sorry I just wrote on the PNG itself. Okay. The expression was A dot B. Dear friends, the carry expression. This type of question often comes in the examination. How many number of NOR gates are required to implement this function? How many number of NOR gates? Take it by OR gate first. A plus B. It is C, D, and it is a AND gate. We are getting the expression of output Y as this. Let us do one thing. We have to solve it by using NOR gate. Bubbled NOR. Okay. Bubble it, bubble it. Does the expression change? No. यहाँ के इन्वर्टर ने यहाँ के इन्वर्टर को, यहाँ के कॉम्प्लीमेंट ने यहाँ के कॉम्प्लीमेंट को कैंसिल आउट कर दिया, यहाँ के कॉम्प्लीमेंट ने यहाँ के कॉम्प्लीमेंट को कैंसिल आउट कर दिया. We are going to have the same expression. Okay. But this bubbled and can be replaced by a NOR gate. Yes, because we have seen that they both are the same. We have seen that they both are the same. Okay. NOR gate. So the expression of Y is the same. How many number of gates are required? We are requiring 3 NOR gates to implement this function. Okay. The output Z is equivalent to, what is the output Z? I want answers from you all before I solve this question. The output Z is equivalent to, okay, what is the expression? X. It is OR followed by Z. Okay. The number of NAND and NOR gates required to implement a NOT operation is, what was it? It was 1 and 1. My dear friends, it was actually a question for you all to make you familiar that the RRB JEE level of the examination is not that high. Okay. It is from the very basics and you have to prepare yourself from very basics. Okay. Basics like sum expression. Okay. Number of NAND gates, number of NOR gates. Okay. So you have to just go through them. Okay. You have to just go through them. इससे ज़्यादा कभी नहीं पूछा जाता है. Okay. But for more, you can solve as many questions from a specific topic, from a specific subject, as well as for a specific exam from our GradeUp app. Okay, we are having a very good quality questions for you all at that place. Okay, follow our GradeUp app, solve as many questions, and yes, see your rank in those. And if you are lagging behind, then put in your efforts. Okay, dear friends, because you have to crack this examination. It is your call for the destiny. Okay, thank you for joining GradeUp, and yes, do like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Okay, we are going to have more number of lectures in the coming sessions. Okay, and yes, subscribe. Okay, subscribe, like, and do comment your queries. Okay, post your queries if you have any on our GradeUp app. There we will be solving your queries as soon as possible. Thank you for your cooperation and joining this session. Thank you.